This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Vanessa Sawyer. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with beautiful ensuite, separate dining room area off from the living room, laminate flooring, totally remodeled kitchen, with stainless steel appliances, large laundry area, carpet in the bedrooms, and nicely remodeled bathrooms. Beautiful surround ceramic tile around the bathtub/shower. Enjoy your front covered porch and deck that overlooks a nice size fenced-in backyard. This property has all new flooring, HVAC, furnace as well, roof, siding, and more. Come see this totally rehabbed home that is conveniently located near the interstate, Naval Ship Yards, and shopping. For more information, review the details below.